We have already instructed again ya tourism department. Kin sit down try maybe today or tomorrow kin lumbiang stakeholders, ki tourist operators, ban ya syong ban ya pelu jengmut rengkat batkat department tourism bat bakin sa ay yang ya ka feedback then ka sarkar ka sesimi karai to nang ta ka bidai bat kini ki bawan ka bidai bat kini ki breu ngam ong su tangi turis ki breu ki bawan nabar jong ka northeastern states nabar jong ka northeastern states ngila issue ya ka notification but ka notification kalong ba it is mandatory. But kalong baparo kibawan na bar jong northeastern states kihap ban yaj lengbaya ka RT-PCR test. Nginam siya ladang imyo ya ka RT-PCR report. Kata kadai ka bingila apa ya ka notification bat ngila ay siya ki concern paro ka district administration bahagi tu ki entry point kin pentikna ba uno lane kanu kibawan siapa ka jela ka jongi syabar nabar jong ka northeastern state bagi hap ban pa ya ka RT-PCR test jongki bat hapo ka arsau kenta kin sayo ya ka report ka jongki bat hapakila kumta andal asim ya ka sampel kat bakidang ap ya ka report kin le chalayeng la jong kin isolate ya la di hadu bandayo ya ka report